Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of Exness and CoinDCX, two major players in the world of online trading. Whether you're into forex, stocks, or cryptocurrencies, understanding how these platforms stack up can save you time, money, and a lot of frustration. So stick around because we're breaking it all down, from features and fees to pros, cons, and ultimately help you decide which is the best choice for you in 2025. So let's get started. Exness was founded in 2008. It's a global broker that offers access to multiple financial markets, including forex, crypto CFDs, metals, indices, stocks, and energies. It's licensed and regulated in multiple jurisdictions around the world, which adds a level of credibility and security for traders all around the world. What really sets Exness apart is its focus on professional-grade infrastructure. The platform supports MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and its own proprietary web terminal. This makes it appealing not only to retail traders but also algorithmic and institutional level users. Their execution speeds are fast, and they emphasize transparency, even publishing live trading volume and client statistics on their website. Now let's switch over to CoinDCX. It is India's largest cryptocurrency exchange, launched in 2018. It has grown quickly by providing access to over 500 crypto assets, ranging from Bitcoin and Ethereum to lesser-known altcoins. It caters primarily to Indian users and supports INR deposits, making it one of the most accessible crypto platforms for the Indian market. What's more, CoinDCX has built a reputation around security and simplicity. The platform is registered with FIUIND, which integrates cold wallet storage for added safety, and they offer two-factor authentication for user accounts. If you're new to crypto or trading in general, CoinDCX beginner-friendly UI and helpful educational resources are worth noting. Now let us talk about the main features of each platform. First, Exness. With Exness, you have access to multiple assets classes, including forex, indices, stocks, crypto CFDs, metals, and more. It is also supporting many platforms like MetaTrader 5, MetaTrader 4, and the Exness web terminal, which is ideal for technical and automated trading. You can leverage up to 1:2000. That means it's extremely useful for experienced traders that are looking to amplify positions. Instant withdrawals on many methods are available. Over 98% of withdrawals are processed in seconds. There are a variety of account types, from standard to raw spread and zero, catering to beginners and pros. Now onto the features of CoinDCX. Over 500 crypto coins are available for spot, margin, and futures trading. They offer leverage of up to 6 times on margin and up to 100 times on futures. Simple UI with learning modules through DCX Learn. INR deposits and withdrawals are available via UPI and bank transfers. There's a mobile app and web platform which is optimized for speed and usability. There's a strong security framework which helps cold wallet storage and biometric login. So what is the pricing like? For Exness, there are standard trading accounts. For example, the standard trading account requires a minimum deposit of $10 and you can get spreads from 0.2 pips. No commission. There's also a professional account that requires a minimum deposit of $500. You can get spread from 0.1 pipes, no commission as well. For CoinDCX, the pricing is not clearly stated on the platform except you create an account and you log in. And with that, you can see what the spot trading fees are. Typically, it is believed that they start at 0.2% per transaction and that margin and future fees can vary based on volume and VIP tier. They can drop as low as 0.07%. It is also believed that there are no account maintenance fees, which is great for long-term holders. Now, what are the pros and cons of using these platforms? First, the pros. For Exness, diverse market offerings, not limited to just one asset class. Instant withdrawals, which is one of the best in the industry. Regulated in multiple jurisdictions, which ensures client protection. There's high leverage and tight spreads for experienced traders. And the pros for CoinDCX? It is ideal for Indian users. It supports INR and local banking. There's access to hundreds of cryptocurrencies. There's a beginner-friendly interface and mobile-first approach, and there are educational tools for support. How about the cons? For Exness, it may feel overwhelming for beginners. It does not support INR or direct crypto purchases. And for CoinDCX, it is not available globally. The main focus is India. Fees can be slightly higher than global competitors like Binance, and it's limited to cryptocurrency only. So what's the verdict? Which is the better platform in 2025? It really comes down to what you're trading and where you're located. If you're a global trader looking for a multi-asset experience with strong tools, deep liquidity, and professional-grade features, Exness is hard to beat. The platform is tailored for serious traders, especially in forex and CFDs, and the instant withdrawals, the leverage and transparency are major advantages. But if you are based in India and your interest is purely in cryptocurrency, CoinDCX is probably your best bet. Its local payment support, the wide crypto availability, and simple interface makes it ideal for Indian users who want quick access to the crypto market without jumping through hoops. So to summarize, you can choose Exness if you want a diverse global trading experience, and choose CoinDCX if you're focused on crypto and you are based in India. Well, this is not a one-size-fits-all answer, but hopefully this comparison helps you find the right fit for you. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Binance, IC Markets, and Kraken. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.